The Mercedes-Benz Maybach EQS is a forerunner of the first commercial electric car under the luxury sub-brand Maybach. Its production version is believed to hardly differ from the concept. As for the technical parameters, it was only announced that the SUV will share the MEA architecture with the EQS liftback, and the mileage without recharging will be 600 km according to the WLTP standard. Interesting styling cues include a logo interlacing in the head optics, the wellbone air intake in front of the bumper, and the 24-inch retro-styled wheels. Maybach EQS SUV doors swing open automatically when people approach the car.